Hi YouTube, it's that time of year again for graduation, and I've created some cute, simple graduation cards. Come see what I created. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys real quickly some of the products I use to create my cards. So I use this Neat and Tangled. This says Celebrate, and it has the layering piece to go with it. I use this Numbers die by Sizzix, and you can see the price. I got that at a great price from Hobby Lobby when they had that big clearance sale. And then I use these dies. These are by Gina Marie Designs. These are it has like the X's on them. I call it X stitch dies. I use this Congrats die by Lawn Fawn. And I use these dies right here by Stephanie Bernard, the stars. And I love this die, by the way. That was my first time using that die. And then I used a teeny tiny square, the X or the stitch die there. Teeny tiny one. That's the one I use right there. All right, so I'm getting ready to insert a photo of where my inspiration came from. So I'm going to insert a photo. Okay, so now you see the photo there, or that you've seen the photo. I'm going to share with you my first card. So I like to keep them in these plastic until I get them mailed out to keep them clean and everything. So here's the first one. And I created these cards for my niece. And my husband has a niece and a nephew. So I created 3 cards. And here's how the first one turned out. You can see those stars. I love this simple design. It really made this card come together quickly. Some of the stars I offset them and then cut them off. And then you can see the Celebrate. And then I had this sticker in my stash. And this is where I used that square die. I just typed out the recipient's name here. And I forgot to type out the year, so I just wrote it in because I didn't feel like, redoing it. So I thought that was a neat little personalization to add to the card. And here's the inside. This is, it measures 5 by 7, and then it goes like this. So it's a side fold. And then this is where I use the numbers die, the 2020. And then my little inside. And this is the X stitch die you can see there. And then I had some stars left over and I put them there. And I kept it very clean and simple, but it's really, really cute. And it's just plain black on the back. So that's the first card. And then here's the second card. I went with blue and gold. This is like the colors, school colors. And then you can see the Celebrate here. And then this little graduation hat, I popped that off of a Dollar Tree card. I love collecting cards, and I use them for that purpose. I take things off of it. Sometimes I use the sentiment inside of the cards. I just use them to fit my project, and this came out perfect. I just popped that hat off of that Dollar Tree card and added it to my card. And it came together so nicely, especially by already having the gold tassel. So it worked perfectly. And here's the inside of this card. I went with the same design for every card, just made it so much easier. All right, that's card number 2. And then here's card number 3. Now this one is just slightly different from the other 2 cards. This one has foam, craft foam up under this layer. And the reason I popped this one up is because the sentiment was flat. I used the lawn fawn on this one, the congrats. The other one didn't look too good on this card. I don't know why. Maybe because it has the foil card stock or the mirror card stock. And this is from Tonic Studios. But maybe that's why the other sentiment didn't look good. I don't know. I needed something bigger. So that's why I went with this one. And then this is like it's not white. It's like a shiny white. It has a sheen on the paper. And this is also by Tonic Studios. So you can see like an imitation of the, you know, the diploma there in the white. And then I added this blue bow, and then this is a sticker I had in my stash. And I think it came together really quick. You know, it came together. And here's the inside. I had a star left, so I just added that star and then put 2020 there. And yeah, that's how this came out. Really, really cute, you guys. I love how these cards turn out. So that's card number 3. And this is card number 2. And this is card number 3. So those are my graduation cards and my Pinspiration share for you guys. And make sure you check out all of the other ladies in this collaboration. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And make sure you always do something with love and passion. Bye.